Once again, here's a restore, all taken apart, cleaned and painted, ready for reassembly. This restore is number 106. It's a 1957 18 horsepower Johnson FDL 11, and it's for Bruce. Got her all taken apart, stern bracket, all the rubber, all the black parts, all the nuts and bolts and washers, air silencer, handle, grip, throttle controls, gears, shafts, carburetor rebuilt, magneto rebuilt, starter rope, power head tested, exhaust chamber, stern brackets, lower cowling, gear case, impeller, seals changed. It's all ready to go. Once again, the fun part will be the assembly. Stay tuned, because here at T-Mike's we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.